morning everyone. Hope you all safe with a good health. With you, Ms. Dina Al-Badri, physics teacher for grade 9. Today we will talk about reflection and color. When we say mixing of color produce other color, like mixing all the spectrum color, it produce white light. Like the primary color, we know that the primary color red, green and blue. Mixing light of two this color produce other secondary color like yellow, cyan and magenta. Mixing light of the three primary color produce white light. So when we mix red, green and blue, it will give us white light. Okay, so from this part we have to know that mixing light produce white light. When we mix all of the spectrum color, it produce white light. When we mix two of primary color, it produce secondary color. What are the primary color? Red, green and blue. What are the secondary color? Yellow, magenta and cyan. Now you see here, when we mix red and blue, it will give us magenta, and when we mix green and blue, it will give us cyan, and when we mix green and red, it will give us yellow color. Okay, because filter and pigments absorb light, the opposite effect happens when they are mixed. The subtractive primary color yellow, cyan and magenta can be combined to create red, green and blue again. If filters or pigments of all three colors are combined in equal proportions, all visible light is absorbed. No light gets to your eyes, so you see all the color black. Black is not a color, it is the absence of the color. So when the material absorbs all the color, okay, so we will see black color. So the black is not a color, it means that there is no color reflected. Okay, refraction, lenses and prism. Light waves bend or refract when they pass from one medium to another medium. So reflection of light, it happening in the same medium. Okay, it means it is a bouncing or return back of light ray. Okay, again with a different angle, sometime with the same angle when the surface is smooth, and sometime with a different angle when the surface is rough. But refraction of light happening when the light ray pass from one medium to another medium. When light moves from a material in which its speed is high to a material in which its speed is lower than, such as from air to glass, the rays bend toward the normal that you see here. So we have a medium transparent here and another medium here. So the speed of light difference from air and glass, so it makes the light ray bend approach or across to the normal. If light moves from air from a material in which its speed is low to one in which its speed is high, the ray is bent away from the normal. Okay, so the speed of light here more than here. Okay, so the light bent away from the normal. Refraction makes object appear to be in a different position. Okay, so the reflection of light makes something appear to be different in their position. Okay, so that you see here, this is the observer, the man who sees something below the water. Apparent position, actual position. So why we have two different positions? We see the fish here with the different position because of a refraction of light. Because we have refraction of light in air, the speed of light in air is different from the speed of light in water. Okay. So like this, when we look at something in different two medium, so we can see the object with a different position. Lenses, when light passes through a medium that has a curved surface, lenses the light ray change direction. The light ray change a direction. We have two types of lenses, convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens, what will make in the mirror? Converging lenses. Convex, it diverges the light rays. Okay, when light ray pass through a lens that is secure in the middle, the rays are bent inward. That you see. So all the light rays are bent in a inward. Concave mirror, diverging lens. When light ray passes through a lens that is thicker at two ends and the rays are bent outward. Did you see? Here, when the light falls here, yeah, so it make what? It makes the light diverge. It makes the light diverge. Microscope uses a series of convex lenses to magnify the specimen. Okay, so the image, human eye depend on refraction and lenses. Okay, it is the shape of the human eye. It works as a curved mirror. Okay. Prism. What is the function of the prism? Did you see the prism? Yeah, like this picture. What the prism make? It separates the white light to 7 spectrum color. The prism separates the white light into component color. Air drops in this air can also separate after the rain falls. So the drops of water which hold in the air works as a prism. So after the rain falls, we can see the rainbow. What is the rainbow? The 7 spectrum color type. What makes the rainbow appears? Because of the drops of water act as a prism, which separate the white light which come from the sun to 7 spectrum color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay. Different colors of light are refracted by different amounts. Light wave travel with a speed 3 by 10 power 8 meter per second in a vacuum. When a light wave travels through a medium, the speed of light will depend on the light wavelengths. Violet wavelengths have a short wavelength and travel slow. Red wavelengths have a longer. Red waves have a longer wavelengths and travel faster. So, when a light wave travels through a medium, the speed of light wave depends on the light wave. Violet wave have a short wavelength and travel slow. Red waves have a long wavelength and travel fast. Because violet light travels slow than red light, violet light bends more than red light when it passes from one medium to another. This effect is called dispersion of light. Rainbows are caused by dispersion and reflection. Okay, so the rainbow phenomena happening by dispersion of light and reflection